here from smartvideotools.online. Just going to shorten this video. There's 5 quick tips for you. Shorten the video, speed up a video, add a title, add some music to the video, and adjust the music volume. There's 5 quick things you can learn in this little thing. So you click on it. That's the one we're going to use, that file, and it's 1 minute and 15 seconds long. I want to add a title. So we go title up the top, add a graphic, add, you can put title and go add. And we'll put that at the very beginning. I think it will stick that in the ad. Yeah, that's it. So then you got title. Well, we're going to have font size we'll make smaller. That's it. We are going to reduce, shorten. We're going to shorten video. Shorten video. Speed up the video. Speed up video. Let's go down again. And we're going to add music. Down again. And we're going to adjust the volume. Adjust music volume. Right. Let's see how that looks. We may have to make this longer. I don't know. Right. Oh, wait on. Start from the beginning. So there you go. We are going to shorten video, speed up video, add music, adjust music volume. Okay, now let's see. We might just put that. Oh no, that can stay there like that. That'll do. So that's it. I'll play it one more time. See if it's all right. We're going to shorten the video. Right, you want to shorten the video. Let's have a look. Let's go. You can go like this, and you can go, but you're losing all these clips sort of thing in here. Like, if you bring it down, just do, bring it down to 20 seconds, say. You're going to lose all that, I think. So just play it. We're going to shorten. That's way too long, so we'll shorten that as well. So we start again, and we go click, and it plays. We're going to shorten video, speed up video, add music, and you haven't even got time to read it. So that's it there. It's playing. It's only 15 seconds long, but the actual thing was 1 minute and whatever. So what we'll do is we'll highlight that and we'll drag it back out to where it goes to. That's it. It's about 1 minute and 15 or something. That's about its max. You can't take it any more than what goes to. But what you can do is highlight this clip, the whole clip. And what you can do is you can speed this up. So you go to time clock up here, and that's the time is for speed. And you go click. And you can see it's 1 minute 8 point something 5 seconds. It says the clip duration, but down here it says it's about 117 or 1 minute 17. So I don't know who's right and who's wrong, but this sliding bar here, the range speed, it's on 100%. So that's where it is now. So if we go like that, move it up to 150%, the timeline's getting shorter. So it's twice as fast. It's 215% roughly now. So if we go play, and it's only 40 seconds long, it'll go flick. It's still these are the main. That's like this is a book of a colouring book for kids that I made in Canva, and I put it on Etsy, Brain Benders at Etsy.com if you want to go and have a look at it. and buy it for your kids. It's about $2 or something, I don't know, and it's not much. But anyway, that's that. So what we'll do, so we've covered speed up a video, just sped it up there. If you want to make it quicker again, we can go up to about 400%. So that's 4 times as quick as what it was when we first started. So you go bang, you go bang. Watch. That's showing slow intro with the cover pages, and then it's just going to go flick, flick, flick through the pics. Yeah, they should be actually shortened. The clips themselves need to be shortened. Yeah, but anyway, that shortens the video. So we've shortened the video, sped up the video because it's now quicker than what it was. It's only the clip duration is 25 seconds. Yeah, clip. So anyhow, we'll put it back to normal and drag it out again. We'll go back to 100%. That's 100%. 1 minute. And music. So you want to put some music to the video. Down here, there's a whole heap of, I think it's there. There you got, oh no, up here, sorry. Get rid of that. And go to add. And you can go to media. Audio, sorry. And you got stuff there that you can choose. This is just built-in stuff, but you can get sites where you can download it. But this is, so let's just put Blues Porch Light on. That'll do. Yeah, that'll do. So we'll add that to it, right? There you go. So we bring it back to the start, and it's too long, so we'll shorten it again, the same as we did with the videos. And we'll bring it back to the beginning. And we'll just stretch it out to the end there. So we've added music to the video. Let's have a listen, quick listen. Right, just the music volume. You can do it. You go over to here to click that. That's the, you got to have that highlighted, the music track. No, and clip volumes there. See where the arrow is, and we can slide that along to just say 100%. Have a try. Too loud, but let's bring it back down to about. Let's bring it down to about 50%, where it was. It's 57, that'll do. And we just go. That's it, that'll do. So we've covered shortened video, speed up a video, added a title, added some music, and adjusted the volume. And that's pretty well covered our topics that I was wanting to cover. So, and it's now 115, but 1 minute 15, 17, but I want it to, let's go 1,000 times quicker and see if, how come it says it's only 7 seconds now? How can that be? It's 7 seconds clip duration, but it's way too fast. Try it at that and just let's, oh, it's fucking, it was the bloody music track. The music track. I did the wrong track. It's got to be the video track. We want it up about, that's it. We want it down to about 20 seconds or so, and the music can go back out to wherever it was. It can go back out to 100%, I suppose. Righto, just play it from, see if it's too fast. So I'll just cut it there. I'll just cut it, the music track, with the scissors here. Clip, and I'll just delete it off the keyboard by hitting delete. Or you can delete it there, down here. But I'll go bang, it's gone. You can shorten these clips by dragging them down like that a bit, and so on, but it's not really the best way to do it. It is when they're all individual files. Then we'll put another title in at the end. There you go. And we'll just go add media, graphics, and we'll just go, what can we put in? Let's put that one in. There you go. We'll put that there, and we'll drag it out to, and we'll put some text in there. Some text is isn't there text there? Let's have a look. What does it do? Put another title in there. Bang. That one. And add that. And then stick that there. You can drag the music along a bit more, make it a bit bigger if you want. And drag that back. And then type, double click on it. And then type the end. That's it. And we'll shorten the end down here, and we'll shorten the music back to here, and then we'll play it from there just to see what it looks like. The end. There you go. That's it. Done. Finished. Kaput. And then you go, get rid of that. You go share. Make sure you change that where you're going to save to the right place, because I always forget and I end up, but it's going to movies, and that's where I want it. And this one's called Witches and Pumpkins MP4. I'm going to put a capital on this one because I think there's another file, just so I can tell the difference. And P for pumpkin, 17 meg, 720. I'm just going to leave it at that and go. It's you can frig around with it in here, but I'm not going to. I don't. It's only practice. And go. So we're going to export it then. Witches and pumpkins. It hasn't got the capital. Witches and pumpkins. There. And with capital letters at the beginning. Then we go export. Export. It'll go shoot it across there, and you can preview it here before you save it. Say, oh, it's already saved where you told it to save in movies, and then you go there. There's, we'll just have a quick play. "22-second video it is. That's it. And then we just go close and done.